So, you want to know how to make a QR code in Illustrator? I got you. Creating a QR code directly within Adobe Illustrator is a professional and precise way to generate high quality scalable codes for print and digital use. Start by opening Illustrator, then navigate to the top menu bar, select Object, hover over Create Core QR Code, and then choose Make. A dialog box will appear here. You specify the type of content your QR code will encode, such as URL, plain text, email, or SMS for a website. Select Web Link and paste your URL into the provided field, and then Illustrator will then generate a basic QR code for your artboard. You can now resize and reposition it as needed. For customization, while the QR code is selected, go back to Object, Create QR Code, and choose Settings. This allows you to adjust the error correction level, which affects scan relatability, and change the foreground and background colors to match your brand. Remember to always test your QR code with a scanner after generating to ensure it's functionally correct. And that's it.